How to buy Toncoin using Tonkeeper Wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Toncoin using Tonkeeper Wallet. To do so, first of all, you'll have to open your Tonkeeper application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. You will reach to this interface. Here in this main home page, you'll find Buy and Sell option just below Receive. Tap on this option and you will be taken to a new page. Here you can choose your preferred payment method. This could be your debit card or credit card, bank transfer, or other supported methods depending on your region and the app's capabilities. Here I have chosen Exchange. Now tap on this Open Exchange option at the bottom. And again you will be taken to a new page. Here specify the amount of Toncoin you wish to purchase. Once you have specified the amount of Toncoin you wish to purchase, review the purchase details and confirm the transaction by tapping on this Continue button. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the payment process. Once the transaction is processed, the purchased Toncoin will be credited to your Tonkeeper wallet. Also ensure that your Tonkeeper app is up to date to the latest version to access all the available features. Depending on the payment method, this may take some time to process, and then you will be able to purchase Toncoin. By following these steps, you can easily buy Toncoin and have it deposited in your Tonkeeper wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.